For about 20 years, I couldn't feel my feet. From Vietnam, bailing out of helicopters, I've had double knee replacements. Vertebras 4, 5, and 6 fused together, and I just don't want any more metal. So I ran into the Regenerative Center.
Garry came to us from Clarksville with a combination of problems, including Parkinson's disease, peripheral neuropathy, and arthritis affecting multiple joints. And we put together an innovative cellular medicine protocol which has provided him with relief not only in his Parkinson's disease, his peripheral neuropathy, but also the arthritic symptoms in his joints, and his life has changed as a result.
It's just like going outside for the first time. I am able to walk faster, hold my balance better. If you can, come over to the Regenerative Center because I'm pushing almost 80, and I tell you, I feel tremendous.